guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do probability of multiple events. This will be our last assignment, the online quizzes. And we will do the semester exam also. I'll practice the semester exam and the unit assessments, but mainly this is the last assignment. So let's begin. The name of the assignment, as you can see, is probability of multiple events. So the first one says that, let me zoom in a little bit more. A standard number cube is tossed. Find the probability of all the numbers that are greater than 3 or odd. So a standard number cube has the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? They have these numbers. And we need all the numbers that are greater than 3, like the 4, the 5, and the 6. All three of them are greater than 3. Or the odd numbers. In this case, we have the 1 and the 3. Okay? So now, how many possibilities we can have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of the total possibilities, which is 6. And the answer is 5/6. That is the probability of when we toss a number, when we toss the cube, we can get one of these numbers. So it's 5/6. Question 2. Okay. Question 2. We have Q and R are mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events, it means that there is nothing in common between these two events. There is nothing in common between these two groups or two events. There is nothing in common. So this says the probability of Q is 0.18. The probability of R is 0.2. Find the probability of Q or R. Now when you have OR, it means that you need to put addition. You need to add the probabilities. So in this case, it's going to be 0.18 plus 0.2. It's going to be 0.38. And that is the answer, which is the last one. 380 is the same thing. Okay, guys? When you have OR, you add the probabilities. When you have AND, you multiply the probabilities. Zoom first. Okay. Now this question is a box. Okay. A box contains 20 red marbles. So we have a box. Let's take this box for example. 20 red marbles. So we have 20 red, 30 blue, 30 blue. A second box. Now we go to the second box. Okay. That contains 10 white marbles, 10 white marbles, and 40 black, and 40 black, okay? 40 black. If you choose one marble from each box without looking, what is the probability that you get a blue marble and a black one? So we're gonna choose randomly one marble from the first box and one marble from the second box. Now what's the probability that I'm gonna get a blue marble from the first one? We have 3 blue marbles, 30 blue marbles, and we divide by the total marbles, which is 50. So if you simplify it, it's going to be 3/5. Now a black marble, we have 40 black marbles, and we divide it by the total marbles, which is 50. We simplify it, so it's going to be 4/5. Now he wants a blue marble and a black marble. Because there's AND, we multiply the probabilities. So 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 5 is 25, and the answer will be the first one. That is it. So the answer is 12/25. Identify, let me zoom in. Identify the pair of events as dependent or independent. Dependent, it means it depends on each other. If the two events depend on each other. Independent, they don't depend on each other. An odd number problem is assigned from homework. An odd number problem is assigned from homework. And an even number problem is picked from a test. Is picked for a test. Okay? So do they, now the first one is even number, the other one is odd number. Is there anything in common between these two groups or two events? Of course not. So the answer is independent. There's nothing in common, they don't affect each other. This question, Q and R are independent events. Independent means there's nothing in common, they don't affect each other. If the probability of Q equals 0.8 and the probability of R equals 0.2, find the probability of Q and R. As we know, it means that we need to multiply because there is and, so it's going to be 0.2 times 0.8, which is going to be, of course, 0.16. The answer is the second one. That is it. The second one. As you can see, guys, it's an easy subject. It doesn't have a lot of complications. Now, this one is the same thing. They are mutually exclusive. We have or. It means that you need to add both. You need to add both probabilities, and that is it. We just solve one like it. Now this one is not, we didn't solve someone. Now in this case, the events are not mutually exclusive. It means that there is something in common between them. In this case, there's a different way how we can find the probability of Q or R. The first thing is that you add the probability, so it's going to be 5 over 8 plus 1 over 8. Of course, we add it because he wants more. And then you subtract what's in common between them, which is 1 over 32, the probability. And you get the answer. So to solve this one, let's make all of these fractions the same denominator. So we multiply this times 4, times 4, times 4, times 4. So it's going to be 20 over 32 plus 4 over 32 and minus 1 over 32. Which is going to be 23 over 32. And that's the answer. Okay? And that's the answer. 23 over 32. 8. A standard number cube is tossed. Find the probability that are less than 3 or odd. Okay? Again, guys, it's easy. Less than 3, there are the 2 and the 1. Okay? Odd, we have the 3, okay? We have the 5, and we have, that's it. So it's going to be 4 over 6, which means it's going to be 2 over 3. Now, next, the same thing, guys. Here, they're not mutually exclusive, so there's or. So there's or, okay? It means that you're going to add the probabilities, then subtract what's in common between them, okay? You'll solve it by yourself, guys. And the last one, or you add the probabilities. Let's solve the last one. So we need to add the point because there's or, okay? So all you need to do is 3/4 plus 1/6. That's it, okay? Of course, you can put them in the same denominator, which is here is 12. So this one is times 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. So 9 over 12 equals 2 over 12 plus. So together they're gonna be 11 over 12, and this will be the answer. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Remember, if you still need things, you want me to do practice on a specific subject again, let me know which assignment you want me to do. I'll do more examples. Just let me know. Finish all the online quizzes on GrabPoint. Do your best and let me know if you need anything. Have a wonderful day.